Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, we've got some information for you today. You're going to love this. You're going to love this. It just keeps on getting better on this show. Oh, if you keep it real, you work hard, one day you wake up and the world's on fire. Absolutely right. And we'll be giving you some information very, very soon. Okay, we are a little bit red at the moment. All my positions have been redeployed. My portfolio has been balanced. We've got rid of all margin. We've got back in a bit on margin this morning, this afternoon, for very, very good reason. Okay. If it's your first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. We've got some major news this afternoon. Smash the like. Smash the like. Ready? Let's look at my portfolio. As you can see, I've now got $73,000 available. I've got about, that's what's available now. I've spent about 20 grand today already. So 73 grand is what's left to spend. Happy to spend it. Happy to invest it if necessary. All other money has been deployed. So let's have a little look where we are. There's the main portfolio. There's the Roth IRA. A bit of a chill down day today. Been buying down some dips and waiting for the rebounds. And the overall position is 69,367. Okay, all good. Now then. Let's see who's here in the chat. I, folks, won't be here long. Paul Knowles, did you see the title of the video? Has anybody looked at and anyone question what is going on with the title of the videos? Anybody know? Anybody noticed something? I'm going to bring up the thumbnail for you right now. This, in case you didn't see it, I don't know if you just entered in a different way. This was the thumbnail, or is the thumbnail for today's show. Does anyone know what I was getting at with that? Any ideas, any suggestions in the chat? Anyone know what that means? You're going to love it. You're going to love this. It's very, very exciting when I tell you. Hello, everyone. Mike's here. Fantastic. Lovely to have Mike back on the show. Right. Anyone know? Any ideas? Everyone's a bit quiet at the moment. Let's see what they say. Let's see what they say in a minute. All right. Okay. Virgin Galactic down today. Heavy day today. Virgin Galactic. Am I bothered? No. Am I bothered? No. Palantir still too expensive. Gold up. S&P started buying back the S&P. Right. And we are up 0.5%. We're buying the S&P now. We got 3 shares of that. Amazon, no, too dear. Apple, no, too dear. Next Era Energy, another good day for Next Era Energy. Nope, second whiskey down Friday night. Enphase down 109. I'm going to wait until it drops further. I had sold most of my shares at 128. I sold at 138, I think it was. My solar is good. I've started to buy back in Enphase. Here we go. In my Roth IRA, I've got 16 shares starting to buy back. It's down a couple of percent. Doesn't matter. It's all free money anyway. Sold it at 38. Started to buy back in Coca-Cola as well. I have 10 shares on my brokerage. Is that all I have? I thought I bought more than that. Oh my gosh. I thought I bought. Is that all I bought? That doesn't seem right. Is that all I bought? 10. That's disappointing. I thought I bought more than that. Oh well, never mind. J&J, Kenvue, Chevron, Tesla. Rubbish. Okay. Has anybody guessed yet? It's what this video is all about this afternoon. The big news. Anyone know what this means? This was the thumbnail for today's show. Any guesses of what this meant today? Sidus Space. 8% of Lucasade. What's going on? What's going on? Has anyone worked it out yet? I want to know if anyone's worked it out yet. I don't think you have. I thought you'd be smarter than that. Let's have a look. No more margin plus interest on cash. Stephen Lewandowski, no. I've deployed the money now. I've spent my cash, and no, I'm back in again. Not all the margin, only a couple of grand, but anyway. You're a proud SIDU owner. Way more than that. Way more than that. Way more than that. Good evening. You're a proud owner of SIDU. No more margin. No. Rubbish, said MSK. Weak volume wants to do at these levels. Don't trust it. Come on, give the news. Virgin bought 8% of SIDU. That's pretty good. That's not bad. 8% of retail investors of Sidus Space stocks are Sidus Space. Okay, pretty good. Good day all. Holding. Are Lucasades sorry? Are Lucasades sorry? No, Lucasades aren't sorry. Yes, no more margin, 8%. No, not that. You rank higher on SIDU for YouTube views. No, it's not that. That's probably true. No, that's not true. No, it's not that. You're not going to get it, are you? You're not going to get it. I don't think you're going to get it. Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tilray. I was hoping you'd get it. Robinhood's going down, IonQ, everything's selling off, but we're not bothered. We're not bothered. Plug Power, 346. Yee. Faraday, Rio, Bitcoin, Matic, Crypto Boy. No, I meant the Lucasades own 8% of Sidus Space. Aha! Crypto Boy. I meant the Lucasades, that's us, own 8% of Sidus Space. 8% of the whole company. Shall I give you the information? I've got to do it. I'm not going to give you all the information. A video is going to come out about that. But I'll give you some of it. Okay. I'll give you some of it. It's only fair. It's the name of the video. If I don't tell you, it's clickbait, right? People are going to complain. They're going to go, we come to find out what's going on and you won't tell us. We're not happy. Right. Look, here's Sidus Space. I am back in. I've just started buying back in, and I bought a bit more this time. I am back in. The price came right, and I'm in, and I'm up. I'm up 2.5%. Very, very good. 200 shares. I'm back in. It's 4% of my account. 4%. I'm waiting to buy a lot more. Okay, here's the news. I've sort of held you off now long enough. It's only fair. Here's the information. I have just come off a video call with a Lucasade, one of you, one of our members, one of the team, one of the family, one of the boys, one of the girls. All right? We now own 8% of Sidus Space. Okay? And this person, who is nameless at the moment, but I'll be producing the documentation very, very shortly later on. We're going to produce it and show you who, why, what. And we now own 8% of Sidus Space. Sidus Space is putting the satellites on board SpaceX. And the reason for the thumbnail today, why I put this out, it's a Lucasade, so it's one of us, owns 8% now of Sidus Space, major shareholder, if not the biggest shareholder in Sidus Space. Fantastic. And I linked that up with Virgin Galactic because I know my Virgin Galactic, I know Virgin Galactic fans will be, investors will be excited about this, because we aim now to be number one in the world for Sidus Space. The Lucasades, we own 8% of the company. We are the major shareholder. This is brilliant. We wake up one day and you're not singing in piano bars anymore. You're buying rocket companies and you're the main shareholder. This is brilliant. So we're very, very excited, and we're going to bring you more information. Now, I hope to have the CEO on the show as part of our Meet the CEO series. Very, very excited. Very, very excited. But you know what the best part is? The best part is he doesn't want to sell. He wants to hold it forever. So I've just bought some. I've just bought some Sidus Space. I'm in. There is my position. It'll accompany my Virgin Galactic. There it is. There's my position. I'm already up 2.28. I told you it was great value at $3. Why on earth I didn't own it for long? Well, we've all been there. We've all explained that. Anyway, crypto boy Martini Racer bought about 750,000 USD worth of Sidus Space stock. He's questioning. Is that a question or a statement? Got to be Martini. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's MSK. Maybe it's me and Sensei. This is just my little sideline account. Martini owns 8% of Sidus Space. I'm not buying SIDU till it's $6 or less. It's really funny because Paul Knowles is the one who told us all about it. And now I've said, hey, LucasAid is the biggest shareholder in the company. He's going, I don't want to buy it now. That's even funnier. Paul Knowles, it was your bloody idea. You got us onto it in the first place. Oh, well, there you go. I bought, what have I bought now? I bought a couple of hundred, $2,000, and I'll buy up to about 20 grand, $20,000. All right, so we'll see what happens now, and we'll have some fun with this, all right? Anyway, there you go. More information, documentation, and paperwork coming very, very shortly, all right? I just got to make a video on it rather than do it in a live. I can't give it away in a live. It's too good, isn't it? It's too good news. Yes, I was already in it though, and sold at 15. All right, so now what are you going to do? I'm asking, says Crypto Boy. I can't tell you that. It'll be more information will be coming out later on. Would he dump it? Would he or she? Didn't say it was a he, did I? Would he or she dump it on us? I can tell you now that the person that's bought it, who is the largest shareholder, is not going to dump it, and neither am I. It's going along my Virgin Galactic position. All right, and as I talk about it, it's going up and up. Very exciting. Oh, hello. It did that thing again. It did this the other day, didn't it? Why did it do that? Oh, I see. It's a backward movement. Oh, it's a backward. Oh my. Did you buy SIDU? Bloody hell. How many more times can I say it? Yes. Of course I bought it. I've just been in a video conversation with the largest shareholder for Sidus Space who's never selling. He's like me. He or she's like me. So there you go. So of course I'm buying. Flipping heck. Of course I'm buying. Absolutely right. Goes alongside my Virgin Galactic. Lovely. Anyway, waiting to miss out. Oh, it's a $30. Oh, waiting to miss out. Oh my, did you buy SIDU? Yes. They should if owning 8% of the company. They should what? Does this LucasAid have a seat on the Sidus board? They should if owning 8% of the company. Well, more information coming shortly. Very, very exciting. And yeah, paperwork and everything coming soon. Crypto Boy's trying to, if I ask him this in a minute, he'll say something. Why are you more bullish on SIDU? I'm not more bullish on SIDU. I'm not more bullish at all. I've got 4,000, I've got 8,000, I've got $9,000 worth of Virgin Galactic. What do you mean? Am I more bullish? $9,000 over there and $2,000 over there. Is it because I said 20,000? The reason for that is is what I will do. I will spend $20,000 allocate. I've got $20,000 allocated to SIDU. What that means is I won't hold 20,000. What it means is if it drops, I will buy it lower, increase it, and then trim it back. So I'll end up making profit when it drops and own a lower average. So I will put 20 grand in to bring it. If let's say today it dropped to like $6, $3, I'd spend 20 grand to lower the average dramatically. And then as it went up, I would trim it back. So it's not I'm more bullish on Sidus Space than I am. Look, it's going now. It's going now. All right, it's going to be huge this for us. I'll be adding more to do soon. John Grandforce. It must be Martini. I can't tell you yet. I can't tell you. Don't be disappointed though if it's not right. All right. I can't tell you who it is yet. I will later. It's going to come out in a video later. Flipping heck. It's too big news. I do not own Sidus, just to be clear. Yeah. Just to be clear. MSK's going. Just to be clear. I don't own 8% of a satellite company. I just want to be absolutely clear. It's brilliant. Well, interesting how that will play out. Yes. Why are you more bullish? I'm not more bullish. It's the same. Is the market again freaked out and afraid of the weekend? Yes, of course. It's perfectly acceptable. But we're down by the smallest possible amount. We've been buying today. I've spent 25 grand today. Dream Card World. Hi, Lucas. Hello. Is it Andy Shovel, Crypto Boy? You're trying very hard. I'll give you that. You're trying very hard. You'll have to watch the video. Flipping heck. You can't give it all away. It's too good news. The return of Mohammed Kahin. He's now bullish on SIDU. Yeah, it's Mohammed Kahin's come on in. That's what it is. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Kahin. Yes. I forgot about him. Oh, dear. Very funny. Okay. Where are we now? Brokerage, Roth. 8%. Coca-Cola. I can't believe I was sure I bought 100 shares of this, not 10. Oh, well. That's fine. Don't worry about that. In the video you made with Martini about being the largest shareholder, did you ever confirm his shares? No hate, just asking. Oh, did I confirm his shares? Yes. You're talking about Virgin Galactic? Yes. Yes, absolutely. I saw his portfolio. Absolutely. I wouldn't have said it otherwise. I am thinking of buying some SIDU, but need some encouragement. Should I wait for the pullback or FOMO in? Well, it's not really FOMOing in at this stage because remember, it went to $18 just a couple of days ago. If we look back here, it went as high as $18.59. So to buy it at $10.87 isn't actually FOMOing in at all. It's waiting for a pullback that you've now got. So it's not actually FOMOing in at all. Martin, is Hood a sell at this point? No, I've been buying it. I'm buying it back. I am buying it back. Let's have a look a minute. Robin Hood. No, I've been buying more today. Just bought back in 11.17. Start buying some more in a minute. Roth. Yeah. 11.04. I'm going to catch it in the after hours, I think. Yeah, FOMO. What's it all about? It's only 97. It's only 97 overvalued. Yeah, FOMO. What's that all about? It's only 97 overvalued. Niels, that's the dream. Is it? It has reverse split though, Martin. It has reverse split. What do you mean it has? Okay. What do you mean it has? It hasn't. What do you mean it has? Oh. It's now, here it goes. Here we go. Rocking and rolling. Oh, it's going up quick now. $11. Sidus Space. If you've just tuned in the show, the Lucasades Army own 8% of a satellite company. That is a fact. That, in fact, more than that, actually, more than that, quite a bit more than that, actually, but only 8.5% that I know of that I can count via looking at a SEC filing. Anyway, so if you've just tuned in, the Lucasades are the majority shareholders of a space company. This is a fact. Later on, I'll bring out the video and show you everything. It's now going up quickly. We're up 7%. Trying to tell everybody, all right? And the major shareholder and me aren't selling any. So just saying, all right? Okay. The overvalued on SIDU is due to the is due with revert. The overvalue on SIDU is due with reverse split. Sorry, SIDU, Paul Knowles, I don't understand. Can you rephrase that? 100 to 1, sorry, 110 to 1 bin December. 110 to 1 bin December. I don't understand that. Why are you buying Coke back at these levels after selling? Thought your average was 55. Why not hold it? Why not hold it? Because I took profits to do other things to reduce margin because we won't get 8%. We won't get 8% this year. Coca-Cola won't make 8% this year. So I've already made my profit on it. It's not going to make 8%. So there's no point paying 8% on margin. That's why. But I will be buying more Coca-Cola with cash or with profits and so on and so forth. But I'm not using margin to buy it. Right, we're up 7.29 now. There it goes. 11.18. Loving it. Why are people always so afraid of reverse splits when the valuation is the exact same? Why are they afraid? Because a reverse split is to keep the stock on the index. You don't reverse split unless you go below a dollar. So there's no reverse splitting to go below $1. You're talking about Lilium potentially. Sidus Space has no reason to reverse split. Reverse split is when the stock is below $1 to keep it on the exchange. Otherwise, it can be delisted. And I've got no evidence of SIDU reverse splitting beforehand. Okay? Anyway, less than 1 million shares outstanding is why it's up so much. All right? Well, if we own all the shares and we hold them, it keeps going up, right? Simple as that. Easy. Less than one. Yo, I love Minecraft. Yeah. Says you. Okay. There was 100 to 1 reverse split in December. Aha. There was 100 to 1 reverse split in December. Thank you very much. Okay. I wasn't aware of that. Crag, have you got the evidence of that? I'd like to share that. I own this stock, in my opinion. Buy more. Ivan Barks. Well, Ivan Barks, the Lucasades, the army that we've put together here, own more than 8% of the whole company. In fact, we are the major shareholder now in the company. Yep. And the major shareholder and myself, we're not selling it. We're holding it. So there we go. That's what's happening. The overvalued valuation is due to the price before the reverse split. When you did the review with the RS had only just happened. I don't think the figures were updated. Aha. Thank you, Paul Knowles. I will do an updated review on it then. Under $10, I will buy Sidus for Bants. For Bants, you're buying SPCE. You're buying SPCE and Lilium. Yes, I own Lilium. Correct. $2,000. I own Sidus Space. $2,000, and I own Virgin Galactic $9,000. Yes, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,000 in space. Yeah, same under $10 in SIDU. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Safe to say I have had better days. Tesla, my biggest loser by far today. I've just started to buy, I think. Have I just started to buy? Yes, I've just started. Yes. I bought today at 218. I've started to buy back in at 218. So my average is down $10 a share. It was 228 when I sold it, and I bought it in at 218. So, yeah, I'm buying it back. buying it back. And I've got 10 and a half shares on it at the moment. So we are flat at the moment. I just bought it here at the bottom. All right. Discord stock news, SIDU. Thank you very much. Let me go and check it. Discord. Stock news. Okay, let me have a look. Stock news. Right. So it announces 1 for 100 reverse split. Yes, there you go. Thank you very much. Yes, that was done. When did that come out? December the 18th. Yes, just before. Okay, great. Thank you very much, Crag, for that. Sidus and Lilium total dog, says Chris Pickering. All right. Well, that's fine. You can think that. I bought some to do. Now we do some research. Yeah, that's the way we do it, right? Just my view. Chris Pickering, that's absolutely fine. You are very, very entitled to your opinion. Nothing wrong with that. Mark Saxby, would you buy more Tesla at the current price? Yes, I would. I would too. Think I missed out on Sidus. Farrell Drugan. No, you haven't missed out on it at all. No, you haven't missed out on it at all. Don't worry about that. Sorry, I just think they look like duds. That's all right. I think you make an easy 40% with BATS, B-A-T-S. I bought SIDU last year at 57 cents. It dropped to 3 cents. Then the reverse split put the price at 3. Then the review. Then the breakout. Aha. Great. So you bought last year at 57 cents. It dropped to 3 cents. Then the reverse split put the price at $3. Then the review. Then the breakout. Great. Thanks for that. Appreciate that very much. Are you buying any more SPCE and Lilium? Sorry. Am I buying any? No, I'm not buying any more at any more space. No, because I bought the bottom and I've got plenty. Am I buying more Lilium? No, I'm not buying any more Lilium at the moment. No, it'd have to drop quite a bit for me to buy it. What's the price on alpha spread for Tesla? Okay, I'll have a little quick look. Chris Pickering. Let's have a look. Tesla. When you say what's the price, what do you mean? What do you mean what's the price? What do you mean what's the price? The price is 218.12, which is what it is. What do you mean? When you say what's the price, what does that mean? It's 218. Does anyone know why Tesla is down today? Well, yes, we do. Because we've got the Germany factory been shut down for a while. It'll be shut down for 2 weeks. People don't like that. We've got earnings season around the corner. That's always a time when the stocks are volatile. We see that all the time. And we had the scare this morning in the Middle East. That's supply issues with the German factory. So there's a few things for you right off the bat. And also Tesla's on the parking lot. So there's several reasons. Doesn't mean the company's in trouble. It just means people sell out the stock. That's all it means. We should look at those low float stocks that split and send them to the moon. Crag, he's trying again. Look, why not Terran Orbital with the 2.4 billion Revita contract? Why not Terran Orbital? I don't know. I need to look at it again. Martin, will we continue to go down from here? Will we go down from here? In other words, will my portfolio go down from here? No. It may drop a bit, but not much. We didn't get the major reaction, the negative reaction I thought we'd get from the conflict in the Middle East. Will we go down more from here? Maybe a little bit. And if we do, I just buy the dips now. I don't mind using margin again. No, not at all. If things discount enough. Don't miss out on fun this year when the split comes. Crag, I'm sure you'll remind me. I love it. Why did SIDU go up that much? Should we buy it? Why has it gone up that much? Well, it's a very small company, very low float, and honestly, because of us. What do I mean by that? Well, the Lucasades, us, the army, us, you, the viewer, the members, we own more than 8%. We are the major shareholder in Sidus Space now. That's why. I'm not going to tell you who it is yet, but I'll tell you later in a video coming out. But and I bought it in. I'm holding it, and the major shareholder is holding it as well. And we are not going anywhere. So there you go. We are the major shareholders in Sidus Space. So there it is. That's why it's gone up. Doesn't take much to move a stock like this. And I haven't put the video out yet. Wait till I put the video out. Why did SIDU go up that much? That's a reason. Oh, base case. Okay, so base case is 63%. $81. Tesla. Remember though, Wall Street can't analyze, and they can't analyze future potential like Optimus battery packs, stuff like that, insurance, full self-drive licensing, because that hasn't come to fruition yet. So we're just basing it upon the price of the cars being sold right now, and the profits and the debt position and everything else. Would you buy Canoe? When I last looked at it, no. I might need to look at it again, but when I last looked at it, no. FFIE total 9537. My FFIE now, yeah, I mean, I don't know what's going to happen here. We shall see. Thanks, Chris Pickering. You're very welcome. Good to hear, Martin. My Tesla average for 1,200 shares is 212. Very nice indeed. That's what I want. We could put it there right now if we wanted to. No, we can't. It's 218. It'd be impossible. If I bought 1 million shares, it'd still be 218. I'm waiting for a further dip. We'll see what happens. I've got some, though. Tesla also cut prices in China. I didn't know about that, I don't think. I can't remember off the top of my head. It's still overvalued if going off out. Yes, it is overvalued, but you've got to remember the overvaluation is based on today's numbers. Alpha spread is facts, it's numbers, it's not projections. It doesn't give you a valuation because of what Optimus is going to do. Doesn't give you a valuation on licensing full self-drive to Ford and Chevrolet and Dodge and all that lot, which is what's happening. We don't know about that. And we don't know much about the Cybertruck yet. It's not ramped up yet. None of that is in the equation. That's why the stock is overpriced, because people buy with that expectation. All right. I read Tesla has cut price in China again. Maybe demand going down for the cars. Well, we'll find out soon because we've got the earnings call. I think still more to go off Tesla. Okay. I'm in to do 60 shares at 11. I'm going against my own gut. Fantastic. There you go. All right. Well, all I can tell you is we are the major shareholder for SIDU. The Lucasades own more than 8% of it. That's it. And we're not selling it. So there you go. More information coming up soon. Chris Pickering, MF, I wish I had 1,200 shares. When did you start buying? Dominic Webb. Consider earnings on February 28th. Do you think we can have see space more than 250 in case that Paris Hilton are not traveling? I would have thought so. We're waiting for the end of this month with the Fed. Jerome Powell, what's he going to say about the rates, the rate cuts? Now we had CPI. One of the metrics was up, but everything else was down. Everyone overreacted. Then we had PPI. And that was much better today. Producers Price Index, that was much better. So it's still on the cards. I still expect a rate cut in the summer, late spring, summer. Hasn't changed. ACLS is one to watch. Currently trading at good value. Indie Bones, how are you? what put me off about Tesla is stuff I read about the secondhand value of the cars. Start buying web, says Chris. You mean bats? I got in at 25, so great to average out. So the market is now expecting 7 rate cuts this year. Marty McFly is going to space. Yes, I am. There's no doubt about it. Martin, do you think you overreacted last night since the market has not gone down like you expected? No. I did expect the market to react negatively, and it did. It didn't go down as much as perhaps it could have done. However, I said the main drop, if it does come, will be next week on Wednesday when we come back from the long weekend. But do I regret it? No, not at all. I'm back in again on a lot of the positions. I sold out and got back in again at lower prices. So am I in on everything? No. Am I back up to 57,000 on margin? No. I've got a couple of grand on margin, but 1,000 is free. It's free with Robinhood. So, and I've also reduced my averages on Coca-Cola. I've reduced my averages. Sorry, not reduced my averages. Sold below where I sold it. Coca-Cola bought below where I sold the S&P, bought back in on Sidus Space. I've been waiting for it to come down. Now with the news about that we own 8% of it, I've bought back in. So no, not at all. It's good to rebalance sometimes. Disconnect yourself from the stocks that you own and reset your stall out. There's nothing wrong with that. Anyway. So no, I don't have any regrets. I don't ever have any regrets about things I do. I have regrets about things I don't do, but I never have regrets about things I do. Never. It's a good little lesson there in life. You never regret the things you do. You always regret the things you don't do. Because if you do things, and even if you get it wrong, you always live on the experience. You learn from it. You're living. And allow yourself to make mistakes. We're human beings. Live, make mistakes. You always regret the things that you don't do. If you're sitting around when you're 95 years of age and you're now completely, you can't move, then you'll regret what you didn't do. At 95, when you sat there in your chair with a cup of tea, you won't regret the things you did do, because what does it matter? You're sitting there in your chair, drinking your tea at 95. It don't matter. What you will do is regret the things that you didn't do. So no regrets here at all. I think it's easy to go back to the 30s. I think it's easy go back to the 30s. What's going to go back to the 30s? What's going back to the 30s? Are you buying more space and No, not buying any more space. It's SPCE, not SSPCE. I notice that you keep writing that. I'm assuming that you mean SPCE, but you keep writing SSPCE. I think you mean SPCE. No, I'm not buying any more. I bought the bottom. I don't need to buy any more. And I might buy some more limb if things work out. Monday, USA is closed, correct? No show on Monday. When did you start buying Tesla? Dominic, Tesla is also Berlin plant for a couple of weeks. Sorry to... Yeah, I just explained that, Mark. I watch you every day now, Martin. Good luck. Overseen Realities. Welcome to you, Overseen Realities. How are you? Lovely to have you here. Consider being a member of the family. Because if you watch me every day, get all the benefits and perks and be a member of the family. Here we go. Let me give you the link. It's only a couple of dollars. It's not so I get rich on your $2. It's not about that. It's about verifying you and offering you extra services. Martin, I believe AMC hits it bottom and now going back up. Many good moves are coming. Jay James, thank you for that. Mark Saxby, yep, Hertz and selling 20,000 Teslas. Yes, I've heard that. SoFi is going to be my early retirement. Oh, I don't like SoFi. CEO talks rubbish. That's the only trouble there. Do you think Space will invite you to visit them? They should do. I feel much better if they employed you on some level. They will, and they will on both of those. Just bear with me. Even just to help the marketing team. They will on both of those counts. Bought my first 20 shares of Tesla just before 5-for-1 split, which I think it will go. It was like 3 years ago, says Mark. If honest, not blowing smoke up your bum, but I can see your show as a channel on TV. Well, if you actually, how can I show you? Let me show you here. If I turn this around for a minute, we broadcast in 4K, and YouTube TV is a TV channel now. Look, if I turn that round, right? There's the big screen. That's YouTube TV. That's not just YouTube channel. That's YouTube TV. You can go there, and there are channels now. And this is my channel, right? So people now watch YouTube on TV as a channel itself. So YouTube TV is here. There you go. Terrestrial TV is all but finished. It's all about YouTube now, online TV. So this is what we're doing. This is why I tried to broadcast with this sort of quality and this. So it's like a TV studio. I didn't invest just to be a YouTuber. I invested to make a TV show. That was the plan anyway. But that's very, very nice of you, Chris. I really appreciate it. Hello. Did you guys see rum stock it tank? Do you think it's going? Rum is rubbish. I'm not interested. Yeah, rum is rubbish. I got rid of rum. So I spoke to Chris Pavlovsky, which is the CEO, via X. We had a conversation on X. He was trying to help me set up my Rumble about a year ago. And I had a brief conversation with him. And I think it's rubbish. It's rubbish. It can't make any money. It's impossible. Let me show you. I'm on Rumble right now. Here's my Rumble account. It plays ads at the beginning of every one of my shows, and I've still not earned $50 yet in about 8 to 12 months that I've been on it. Rubbish. And they keep telling you that there's all this benefits, how it can earn you money. It doesn't make any money. I'm on it live up to 10 hours a day. I've got 594 followers. I'm on the homepage all the time. There's no one watching it, and the ad revenue is nothing. It doesn't earn any money. Anyway, there it is. There's my Rumble right now. So yeah, I wouldn't buy the Rumble stock either. I remember the Wolf of Dubai sold all the space when Ukraine war started. It dropped and recovered straight away. The Wolf of Dubai talks nonsense. The Wolf of Dubai only wants to sell training programs. That's all he wants to do. He is a classic YouTuber. Makes videos with sensationalistic promises about how you're going to get rich. And when you watch him, like Meet Kevin, it's sign up for my training programs. The coupon code expires tomorrow. Oh my God. How many times do I get sick and tired of hearing Meet Kevin say, my best price expires tomorrow? It's ridiculous. It's always a sale on. Let me tell you, my memberships will never go up in price. Ever. Not even with inflation. Ever. Right? And there's no training programs. And the price of my stuff in the shop is the price of the stuff in the shop. I do some discounts when they give it to me. But there's no sign up, become a member today because tonight it runs out and you can get it at half price. And that's ridiculous. The value of my products is the value of my products. Just the same as if you go into Ferrari garage. If you go into Ferrari garage, how many times in the Ferrari garage are they going to say to you that you can buy this Ferrari F40 25% discount? Never happens. It doesn't happen. My membership is always the same. It never changes. In fact, I give more services, but the price doesn't change. There you go. And it won't either. SIDU. Right, I'm up. What am I up now? I'm up 0.56. Okay, we'll buy some more in a minute. Okay, Lilium. I don't know why Sidus is making me so nervous on its way down already. Why is it making you nervous? If it's making you nervous, you've not read the numbers, you don't know what the business is. I did a review. I tell you what you need to do. You need to go and watch my review. You need to understand why I bought it in the first place. Here is my review. If you've not yet done that, no wonder you're nervous. Echo, Lilium, Petrobus, Zevra, Joby, Fiskars, Ferrari, there it is, there. You want the link for it, I suppose, right? Okay. Sidus Space. Share. Copy link. There you go. I'll give you the link. It's in the Alpha Spread playlist on the homepage. It's right there. But I'll give it to you because I'm nice. There you go. Okay. All right. There you go. There it is. I'll put it 3 times so it stands out. All right. Got it? All right. There is the Sidus Space review. So then you can then decide, yourself. But you need to understand what it is you're buying. Otherwise, all over the place, right? I don't know why Sidus is making me so nervous on its way down. Monday, USA is closed. Correct. Kathy Wood, ARK Invest, bought 100,000 Tesla yesterday. She's always buying at the wrong time. Kathy Wood is. Honestly, Kathy Wood's all over the place. Kathy Wood talks rubbish half the time. She really does. She exaggerates everything. She always says stupid, Kathy Wood cares about Kathy Wood. She constantly conflicts herself. You just listen. I can't be doing any of that. I don't listen to any of that stuff. It's rubbish. The technology they use to review stocks or to study stocks, they talk about it all the time. How they have a very unique business model. It's business model of manipulation. That's what it is. I got no time for it. Do you expect Virgin Galactic to go under $2? Do I expect it to go under $2? It's possible, but I don't think so, no. I'm back in to do too. Matthew Kelly. Matthew Kelly's back in to do. How do you do? Why buy now if you think it will drop next Wednesday? Because we don't know it's going to drop. No one knows. You don't know. I don't know. On Wednesday, I will have some more money soon, and I'll buy the drop anyway. It doesn't matter. Gripping. I'm averaging into SoFi too. Can't be doing SoFi because the CEO talks nonsense. I've proved it over and over again. If Kathy Wood bought everyone, she be careful. She's been wrong. She's wrong nearly all the time. Kathy Wood cares about Kathy Wood. She doesn't care about you. She doesn't care about, all those videos they make, a lot of those videos aren't even real. And before you say, Martyn Lucas just said Kathy Wood videos aren't real, they're all AI. No, I didn't say that. What I meant was Kathy Wood videos where she interviews Elon Musk and Michael Saylor and there's a few others that I've seen. They get restreamed over and over and over again, and it says it's live. Because when you restream something, it's live, right? When you watch TV, you know that the film isn't live. Tom Hanks isn't really, running around a beach in real time in Castaway. It was filmed years ago, but it's live on TV, right? Well, YouTube's the same. People can restream old content. And they restream over and over again content with Kathy Wood interviewing Elon Musk, interviewing Michael Saylor, blah, 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 blah. And everyone goes, this sounds great. And it's live, and there's all these people watching it, getting completely and utterly fooled over and over again. And I can't believe that people keep falling for it. It's not live, it's a restream. And you can tell it's a restream because everything about it is dated. The facts are dated, the numbers, but no one seems to care. They just talk about all the exciting stuff about Bitcoin or Tesla or whatever. And it's all nonsense and people watch it all the time. It's ridiculous. Anyway, people make money on those videos. Will you be considering government stocks or commodities during the war, escalation and aggression? No, I don't buy commodity. I don't buy government stocks. I don't trust the government, to be honest. And seeing how the SEC with Gary Gensler was run the last couple of days, doesn't even know how to turn on a two-factor authenticator. I don't think they're even very good at their jobs, to be quite honest. Does anyone think Gary Gensler knows the first thing about crypto? I don't think anybody does. Martyn is like the honest version of Jim Cramer, but with a better personality and slightly crazier. Buy. Sell. Best YouTube live TV in the world. Hey, do you know what was nice today? I got to spend about an hour talking to Mike. I had a video call with Mike while I was drinking my tea this afternoon, sat in the lounge in my house, and I managed to get hold of Mike. I was so chuffed. He picked up the phone. Most people don't pick up the phone to me. Ring, ring. Who's there? Who's there, Doris? Let me look on my phone. Martyn Lucas. Martyn Lucas is phoning me up. I'm not bloody answering him. I'll probably be live on his show. No one ever answers when I phone him up, but Mike did. Mike answered the phone. It was great. Absolutely. Nice, Indie Bones. I have 3,000 shares, 660 buying every month at the moment. Grippy. Would you recommend me buying more space? My average is 256, so I can bring my average down. Let's not focus on averages. This is like going to the moon, buy the dip, diamond hands, paper hands, made up by all those crypto lunatics on their YouTube channels, right? Let's not focus on lowering averages. Let me explain something very, very, very important. When you buy a stock, it gives you an average. You then buy some more stock, up or down. It lowers your average or increases your average. However, if you sell the stock, do you think it knows which stocks you've sold and readjusts the averages? Nope. No, it doesn't. So if you start buying stock and then selling some, your average is completely thrown to whack. You have to look below your transactions into your history and know that when you sell, you're selling the ones you bought first. The first in, first out, the FIFO rule. Remember that. So don't get too upset about the average. Okay? And I'll give you an example of that. A few days ago, I bought Sidus Space at $3. I said, this is a good buy. This is going to do well. And it did. Up it went. It was fantastic. It went to $18. So now my average is up, right? My average is $10 now. Oh my God, what am I going to do? This is terrible. Oh no. No, that's not what it's about. If you buy a stock here and it goes up and you sell it and you make a profit, that was a single trade, fantastic, you made money, brilliant. If then you're out of the stock and it goes up in price, but you now discover it's got a break in technology, it's going to be fantastic, it's going to grow even more, it's got a new contract with Elon Musk and they're going to fly every day and they're going to make loads of money, blah, blah, blah. You now got it here and there's every likelihood it's going to go to here, right? It's okay to buy it here, even if you owned it here. Don't be worried about the average. We all want our averages to be down, but it's a very simplistic term and people over or underestimate that. They think, my average, because when you sell, it doesn't adjust it. So you're getting a false representation if you've sold it. And then you kind of also get locked in. It's like today, it is a better example. Today, I sold my Coca-Cola because I said it's a great company, right? It's not going to do 8% now. It's not going to do 8% this year. I can't see it doing 8%. So I sold it because my margin is 8%. I've made like 9% this year on Coca-Cola, and I made $1,000 in profit, like $1,200 with dividends and so on and so forth. I sold it. Is it then wrong of me to buy it today at 60? No, because I valued the company about $70 to $80. It's still got a lot of growth. It's still good value. So the fact I sold it, took my profit, and now things with the war wasn't as bad as they were initially. PPI came in lower, blah, blah, blah. Okay, all of that's good. I can now buy it back. And it doesn't matter if I pay more for it, because if I buy it at 61, let's say I buy it at 61 and it goes to 70, still got a good profit. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. The reason why I'm out of it in a moment is I don't think it's going to go up 8% from here. It's already done 9% last year. I don't think it's going to do another 8% this year. I don't think so. Now, it might do, and I might be wrong. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. It's the way it goes. But I've started to buy back in, but I'm not going to turn on the margin and buy. I mean, I can buy $80,000 of Coca-Cola right now at 8%. Is it going to do 8% this year to cover the cost of it? No, I don't think so. So there's no point. If margin was 2% now, and it will be maybe the middle of this year, not middle of this year, towards the end of the year, margin might be 2%. If margin is 2% by the end of the year, then I could buy some more. So anyway, we shall see. We've got 3 minutes to go before the bell goes. Would you consider Lucid? No, Lucid is rubbish because of Peter Rawlinson. Absolutely rubbish. They are. John Cranfor's put it in there. Look at what he's done to the company. Look at what he does every day. No, it's sad. My position on 1100 stocks and it gets because the cancellation trend of YouTube lately. It's sad. My position on 1100 stocks and get in because the cancellation trend of YouTube. The cancellation trend. What is this? People keep talking about this. There's no cancellation trend at all. I don't know what everyone goes on about. What do you mean by that? Everyone goes, oh, everyone's getting cancelled. No, they're not. It's people making up stories to promote Rumble. There is no cancellation trend. Martyn, why the black suit? Spice it up a bit. Buy a purple suit for Virgin Galactic. Go space. That's a good idea. We need a Virgin Galactic tie. Oh, I see. Kathy Wood, rubbish. Kathy Wood's best care of Bitcoin is 1.5 million. Best care for Bitcoin is 1.5 million. Kathy Wood and Trump should head up the Liars Anonymous. Farrell Drugan. I watched the review already. Liked it at the time. It was $4 then, though. Yes, it was. What's your Sidus average? I want to get in lower than you, so you can't burn my portfolio. Don't you worry about that. I can always buy more than you. Don't you worry about that. Sidus will go under $10 again, I'm sure, and I will get in. Reckon too much. Hang on a minute. Reckon too much MSK. Get in at 6. I believe it will reach that too, to be honest. MSK. Why do you ever sell a full position? You've got money all over the place. Eh? Why do you never sell a full position? You've got money all over the place. You don't have to sell everything. If you want to take some profit, trim off the top and hold it. Maybe for tax reasons, dividend reasons. That way you've covered yourself if it continues going up. There's nothing wrong with part selling. You haven't got to sell everything. I mean, that's what scalp traders do, day traders. Day traders buy, sell everything. I'm a lot more, hopefully, sophisticated than a day trader. I will scalp, I will day trade, I will swing trade, but I'm also a long-term investor. As long as my portfolio is moving up, that's all that matters. Martyn will definitely be confused by this comment. What comment's this? I watched Jeremy's channel as well, but it looks like he's gone on a long holiday for some reason. Who's Jeremy? Here we go. Ring the bell in 3, 2, 1. The bell has gone. Okay, it's Friday. That's it. It's all over. We're all doomed. Hood at $10.99 is a Boxing Day sale. I think you've got 5,000 positions and don't. I think you've got 5,000 in positions you don't look at. What? No, it's all here. Everything's all here. Right? Everything's all here. Right, let's have a look. Virgin Galactic. Trying to go up in the after hours. Palantir. Gold. Now then. It's party time. What we're going to do in a minute. You ready? You ready for this? Of course you're ready for it. It's Friday night, isn't it? What happens on Friday night? What happens Friday night? You know what happens Friday night. Friday night is music night. Here, live on the music show. Music channel. We're going to be here. Oh, yes. We're going to be in the music studio, drinking whiskey, larking about, shouting and swearing. Probably. No, we don't do that. We don't do that. I can't be doing any of that. So there we go. Join me for the Virgin Galactic party. I probably should put SIDU now. Now we own 8% of the company. We should probably have a SIDU party as well. Otherwise, it's a bit unfair, isn't it? So there we go. There's the event tonight. Shall I give it to everybody? Shall I give it to my... Yeah, let's do it. Let's go and do it. Let's go and do it to the LinkedIn audience. Because they're sitting here going, well, you know, maybe we want to come to your party. Can we come? There you go. There's the link. What about the Kicksters? There's nobody watching me on Kick today. Kick's not working either. Kick's like Rumble. That's dying on its arse. But anyway, I'll give it a shot. I'll give it all a shot, right? Rumble's we're getting quiet. Rumble, we're getting quiet now, Rumble. Every day it gets a little bit quieter. YouTube just keeps on growing. Who else have we got? We got Facebook, haven't we? We got Facebook, and we got X. We got Twitch as well. Twitch has had its day as well. All these platforms, crazy. Everybody wants a piece of the pie, right? There's Twitch. Let me give it to my X's. There you go. It's pretty popular. It's more popular on X than it is on Rumble, which is very odd. Shouldn't be like that, should it? What about Facebook? There we go. Facebook as well. Right. There you go. Drop that in there. There's the concert. Who's coming? Who's booked a ticket yet? Go and click on it and book a ticket. Over diversification is a real risk. Yeah, you shouldn't just buy everything willy-nilly. I agree with you. If you just buy everything, there's no point. If you're going to buy everything, you might as well just buy the S&P. At least then there's some passively managed work going on. And what I mean by passively managed is even though it's passively managed, not actively managed, every period of time. Oh, Virgin Galactic going up in the after hours. That's good. Lilium, 85. I might buy some more at 85. SIDU. Oh, here we go. Oh, we've got a discount. Excellent. All right. We're down 3.65. Okay, that's all right. Because about 9% of the stock now is protected because I'm not selling and our Lucasades aren't selling. We own about 9%. We are the major shareholders for SIDU. So I'm just going to keep buying the average and then we're all going to hold it. What everybody else does, I ain't bothered. I ain't bothered. Let's have a look. 8% on SIDU. So that will be $30 million. Is it ish? 8% of SIDU. So that will be about $30 million ish in stock. I am 100%. It's not 30 million, by the way. I am absolutely certain. Absolutely certain. How many shares we own? Yes. I am looking at the SEC filing. It's on a screen to the left of me. So yes, I know that one of our Lucasades owns 8%. Yes. MZ, I am very sure. Tilray is a real risk. It is. Nils agree. And that's why I learn from Martyn's mistakes. Martyn isn't making any mistakes, but it's better to master your companies. I am kidding. That's all right. Neil just added, do you believe ChargePoint or Blink have a future? I'd need to reassess it. SIDU, 180 shares here. Nice one, Richard. Just bought Lilium. Very nice indeed. Right, we've got to get off because it's music night in the music studio behind me. Over here in the studio, we are going to have a party in a few minutes' time. This video, when it ends, will go directly to it. I've also given you the link in the chat. Is that it? Let me just check that's the right one. Live chat, yes. Yes, that is the right link. Wanted to make sure it was. Let me pin that to the top. Pin to the top. There you go. I'll give it you again. There you go. You can't miss it now. We want music. Yeah, that's it, right. That's it, MSK. You got that right. Okay. SIDU, I've got until 7 o'clock tonight. If we drop below 10, like 950, I'll double my amount. We want music. All right, steady on. Here we go. Okay. Time to wrap it up. Get to the chopper. The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony until one day a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix. I love it. Niels, I'm loving it. Great long weekend to all. Mike, join us. Would you recommend me buying Space? My average is 256, so I can bring my average down. I can't recommend anything. I can't tell you what to do. It's going up in the after hours, which is very bullish on a Friday night, knowing there's a long weekend. Very, anything that goes up in the after hours on a Friday night, particularly a long weekend, is bullish. We know it's bullish anyway. We know what's going to happen with the company. At least I do anyway. I hope you do. Is it worth buying? Well, anything around $2 is just slightly above the cash on the books. So yes, it is good value. Is it as good value at 157? Obviously not. But is it still good value here? Yes, it is. I don't know your financial position, how much you believe in it, what you think about it. Quick taste of Jailhouse Rock. No, you got to come to the music show. I'm not giving away the music here. No, I know my value. Might check your party after dinner. If not, have a great weekend, everybody. If you missed the live show on the music channel, you can always watch the past live streams. Okay, here is the live event. The live event is when you can call in and you can request songs and you can say, "Oi, sing me this, play me this." Performing monkey, do as you're told. Here's $1, go and sing a song. And I go, no, bugger off. You know, that happens all the time. If you can't join in for that, past live streams, you can even watch last Saturday's show. Last Friday's show. Look, this is what we did last Friday. Oh, yeah. You can even join in. There's so much going on. You wouldn't believe it. What am I doing here? What am I playing here? Who is the hero of the day? I don't know. I see a little silhouette of a man. Oh, it's a good... Really matters. Oh, I see. We got a bit of Bohemian Rhapsody. Don't you think you can stop me and spit? Oh, hello. There you go. A little bit of Bohemian Rhapsody. We're getting all carried away now. Anyway, that's the sort of stuff you can get. And it even does this. It strobes like that. Is anybody feeling a bit stroby? Don't worry about it. I don't do that in the show. Well, I might, but, you know, you never know. All right. There you go. Mike is the 8% shareholder. Confirmed. They talked earlier. Yes. Oh, he sussed me out. Grippy has. Grippy sussed me out. Grippy, yes. How do you figure it out? Dance monkey. Yeah. I won't do it now. I refuse now. And there's no dancing monkey. Right, I've got to go. Space should be $10 when the Delta will be announced about a year plus. That's correct. That is absolutely correct. He's dead right there. It could be before then. It could be next week if Paris Hilton flies. Not because, I want to be clear, not because Paris Hilton flies. No one really cares. It'll just get some media attention, and that would be a little bit exciting. Anyway. It's time for me to go. I've given everybody the link. You can all join me for the after hours party. Thank you ever so much, everybody on TikTok. Oh, hang on a minute. I got Lucas Badge owners in. Let's have a look. Hey, hang on a minute. I've got new Lucas Badge owners. Luca Badgers. Hang on. Let me go over here. Hang on. This is very, very important. Hang on a sec. Are you still there? My Luca Badge owner. I'm going to put you on the screen. Let me bring you up here in TikTok. TikTok. Right, ready? Okay. Right, TikTok. You're going to come up on the screen in about 10 seconds. About there. All right? So, I've just got my 7th Luca badge. See the gold star? It's Salah. Salah is, how much do you think Sidus will go up? Well, I've got to do a full review shortly on that. If you are still with me, are you still with me, Salah? Salah just become a Luca badge owner. Let me see you. Are you still there? Just tap on the screen like this. If you tap on the screen like that, hearts come up. That's me doing it to myself. All right. Oh, here he is. Salah, where are you from? Salah is, where are you from? I am her. Hello, her. How are you? Nice to. Why don't you pop into YouTube just before I go? I've got like 5 minutes tops. Come into YouTube, say hello. I am from Libya. No way. If you're from Libya and you're a Luca badge owner, you've got to join us on YouTube right now, because let me show you. Look, if you are from Libya, we do not have a member from Libya. We have members, more members than any other channel on YouTube, right? We have 54 countries. We do not have anyone from Libya. Look below the screen. Look here. This is on YouTube. Look here come the flags of all the countries that are members. And we only have about 1% of our viewers are ladies. Everyone's blokes. 99.9% are blokes. And we do not have anyone from Libya. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for you, because I want you to come into YouTube and be a member from Libya, and we'll fly the flag for you. I've got to go. I've got a music concert tonight in my studio. So if you come on in now, I'll wait for you. It's Martyn Lucas Investor, same name as it is here on TikTok, on YouTube. If you click my profile, the little profile icon, come out of the main live show, and you'll find my YouTube link on the profile. Click on it, jump right in, say I am Salah. I'm a lady from Libya. The whole audience will go mad. She's coming over. She's coming on over to our place. Okay, fantastic. I'll see you in a minute. Right, she's coming on over, everybody. So in a minute, we're going to have Salah from Libya come into YouTube. You ready? It's going to be very exciting. Very, very exciting. You ready? Okay. Very, very exciting. We'll see in a minute. Let's see if she comes in. Okay. Let me change that. It's a parakeet. I like it. A parakeet. Just wanted to check this. What's the super sticker? What's this? We got a super sticker. You didn't put a comment. How can I read it out if you don't put a comment? Unbelievable. You didn't put a comment. I can't read it out if you don't put... Okay, she's coming. Salah's coming. In the chat, you'll see her in the chat in a minute. Very exciting. Not really sure why Buckaroony wanted me to do super chat this morning. What was that all about? I don't know. Don't get me involved in your tomfoolery. It's nothing to do with me. I don't want to be involved. We're going to wait just a minute. Let's hope Salah comes in. All right, Salah. It's going to be exciting. I'm going to have to start the music. So I've got to get the playoff music, the Phoenix music. You know it gets exciting, right? I've got to go. I can only wait a minute more for Salah to come in. I am Salah from Libya. Right, hang on a minute then. Here we go. Look, here's Salah in the chat. It's very exciting. Look. Salah is in the chat. Let me put her on the screen. From Libya. Now then. Salah from Libya. There she is in the chat. Look, right there. Now, if she becomes a member, right, she will be the 55th country. We do not have anyone from Libya. We do not have anyone from Libya. So, we've only got a minute. Here is the membership. If you're on an iPhone, you will need to use a browser and request the desktop version, all right? So anyway, let's see what happens, and then we can add her quickly before we play the music, because we're about to leave the show, and then we're going over to the music concert, Salah. We're going to be here live in my music studio. I'm the world piano man, and we're going to party in the music studio behind me on my music channel. I've been following you for a long time, and I'm a man. Okay, you said a lady over there. I'm only the one. I am, okay. I thought you said a lady. Sorry about that, mate. It's not a lady, it's a man. Don't worry about that. That's fine. That's fine. We got no problem with that. 99% of men anyway. Right, but we need a member. Don't we need a member from Libya? Hi, Salah from Libya. We want to fly the flag. We have got Chile, USA, England, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, Germany, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Denmark, Mauritius, Czech Republic, Lithuania, Romania, Morocco, Costa Rica, Bosnia-Herzegovina, Croatia, Israel, Netherlands, Rwanda, Palestine, Iran, Jamaica, Taiwan, South Korea, Ecuador, France, Russia, New Zealand, Georgia, Iceland, Hungary, India, Switzerland, Poland, Belgium, United Arab Emirates, Oman, Singapore, Scotland, Wales, and Cuba. What is your language? What language do you speak? If you become a member right now, I shall talk to you in your language. What is the language? You've got 1 minute. We've got to go. I've got to play the music. We're here every single day, 10 hours a day. I've got to go though. I don't think you're going to do it in time. I've got to start the music. It's time for Day Trader of the Day. You get loads of perks and benefits. Let me just finish that. There we go. Thank you so much for all you guys. Here is the membership. I've got to go. I'll give you one more time. Here it is. Very exciting. And I'll speak to you in your language. Right. We've got to go, folks. The music show is about to start live on my music channel. So let's get out of here. Let's rock and roll. Do what we got to do. And MSK has just gifted memberships. Oh my God. I've run out of time. I've got to go. I can't stay. Here we go. Day Trader of the Day.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together.
Are you up or are you down? Today, I am down 1%.
This is Phoenix.
Down 1%. There we go. We got a new member. That was a Tuna Sub from MSK. Willem. Thank you very much indeed. Awesome stuff. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Another member. Woohoo! Fantastic. Ramen. Who's winning tonight? Down 0.19, down 1.6. Benjamin Perez. Congratulations, down 0.54. Jose Quintana, down 3.68. I I'm loving it. Crypto boys here. Crypto boys here. Here we go. Boom!
Get ready for verse 2, electric boogaloo.
Down 3.35. Chris Coyle up 0.16. This is the Phoenix. Woohoo. Up 0.16. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Down, 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 down. It looks like the winner tonight is one of our ladies, Sherry. Sherry is one of our members tonight, and she is a winner. Sherry, you are a winner. Thank you for your honest trade. Congratulations. We're loving it. We're loving it. Fantastic. That's it from me. I've got to get out of here. It's time to roll the credits. Time to go into the music studio. Roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Sherry is the winner tonight. That's it from me. All right. Fantastic. That's it. A subscribers, just as simple. Atishay Singh, members, 9am Studio, Tuna Sub, Raman, Benjamin, Perez, Gulhan, Crypto Boy, and MSK Super Chats. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. Time to get ready for the music show. Here is the concert. We are waiting for you. Here is the link. Don't forget it. We'll be there in just a few minutes' time. Time to get out of here. That's it. Hopefully our guest from Libya will become a member next time, and we can upgrade his account and fly the flag for Libya. That's it from me. See you on the party in a few minutes' time. It's going to be a great night. Have a few beers, run around crazy, and that is it. This is Phoenix. Woohoo. We're done. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. See you back on Monday. It's going to be a great... back on Tuesday, or I will see you in a few minutes on the music studio, in the music show. That's it from me. Thank you ever so much indeed. I'm done. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye, everybody. See you next time. Ta-ra.